About 12 years ago, Destiny allowed us to meet during our first working day. We started as friends, then sa sobrang cute and jolly ko, na-in-love ka yata sa akin.
All of my memories, like constellations, were spinning round in my head. So many miles, I still remember, spinning round in my head.
Hi babe, finally we are here. As your husband, ito yung mga ipapangako ko sa'yo. Una, aalagaan kita. Hindi kita pagbubuhatan ng kamay. Irerespeto kita. Paliligayahin kita. At magpapayaman ako, tayo, para makapag-travel tayo at mabili natin lahat ng gusto natin.
Spinning round in my head.
Tingnan natin kung magnetic.
Today marks the start of a beautiful new chapter for both of you. And I just want to say, my ate is legally yours now. You're truly the answer to her prayers.
So many miles, I still remember, and I still long for what's ahead. And we've come so far.
As we enter a new chapter in our lives, I promise to take care of you, your peace of mind, and avoid your triggers. I promise to support you in personal growth, your passion and hobbies. Thank you for not giving up, for trying again, and for taking chances. With you, I experience a patient love, one that is kind. I can be who I am, and I feel safe when I'm with you.
All of my memories, wishes and whispers, spinning round and round again.
And Mrs. Liz Felipe. You may now kiss your bride.
Bebe Je, remember the lansones joke? Je, ang asim naman na malaking lansones. Mas matamis yung maliliit. Ang sabi mo, yan ang katunayan na mas sweet ang maliit. Kaya ngayon, naka-flat shoes ako kasi pinili ko ang maliit.
Every breath holds a moment.
In any relationship, there will always be conflict. But do not allow conflict to destroy your relationship. You have to fight for it, and fighting for it means keeping it.
For sure, may mga araw na hindi tayo magkasundo. May mga araw na wala tayo sa mood. May mga bagay tayo na pag-aawayan. Pero at the end of the day, pipiliin natin yung isa't isa.
Kuya, maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga, pag-iintindi, lalo na po sa pagmamahal sa atin namin. Huwag ka pong mag-alala. Susuklian ko po yung kabutihan binibigay mo. Hindi lang sa kanya, kundi sa amin.
pinaka-ma-advise ko lang is always choose each other. So no matter what, kailangan yung piliin lagi yung pareha nyo.
We will go. We will go.
I'm sure we will make mistakes and hurt each other, but let us learn and grow together until we know better. I'm excited about the new things we will discover kapag araw-araw na tayo magkasama. Can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much. Love you.
Running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we just begun.
Gusto ko yung bagong motto natin, yung tayo lang yung magkakampi. Yan yung magiging reminder natin sa isa't isa everyday. I love you, asawa ko.